Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, My Passion, My Life, Hi-Fi. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. In this video, let's see how to have a hassle-free online classes for our kids at our home. In this unpredicted pandemic situation, we all should adapt ourselves to this new normal. All this online classes and virtual classes become most important part in our kids' day-to-day lifestyle. Initially, I am also highly stressed out thinking about this. Finally, I end up with lot of researches through YouTube, Google, books, etc. I got some ideas, but frankly to say, I did not find any best solution. I implemented my own ideas under trial and error basis and found solution too. So, I have planned to share my tips and tricks with you all so that it will help out lots of parents who are struggling to adopt their kids for this new normal and for online classes. The most frequent question asked by the parents, is it mandatory to have online class during this pandemic situation? I hope you all know this famous proverb, an idle mind is the devil's workshop. We parents are engaged with our own work. When the kids are left behind without any work, their brains were neutral. And just think what will happen. They end up having their own screen time, either watching mobile or watching TV, playing games in their mobile, etc. One of very common thought among toddler parents, why we have to take a chance during this pandemic. They may think nothing is going to be wrong if their child miss just 1 year of their learning. For all parents out there, it's very important for all of us to know about our child's brain development. 90% of a child brain develops by age of 5. So at least we should spend half an hour of our valuable time to engage them with some activity to keep their brain activated. How to activate your child's brain? It's just simple. Just follow my steps. Number 1. Food. Yes, your child's food is going to play a vital role in their brain activation. So make sure your child is having sufficient vitamins and mineral-rich food, say fruits and vegetables. Minimum 2 fruits a day and lots of vegetables in their diet. Concentrate on the salt and sugar intake every day. Excess of sugar and salt in their food is not good for both physical and mental development. Try to avoid packed food because they have lots of additive in it, which is not going to help in the brain development. Make sure you're giving them proper breakfast before attending any class. Please don't ever think to skip their breakfast. This healthy breakfast is going to play a vital role in their concentration. So please don't skip the breakfast part. Second important thing is proper sleep. Yes, a child needs to sleep at least 7 to 8 hours. We parents were little bit relaxed as we are thinking it is home learning, so let them have their own time, let them sleep late, let them wake up late. Please follow a routine how you are following during the school days so that it helps the child to have a proper sleep. Research says that lots of growth hormones get activated during their sleep. So make sure they are getting adequate sleep so that they can be active throughout the day. Number 3. Water. Child should have sufficient amount of water, that too frequently. They should sip water every half an hour once to keep their brain activated. As there won't be more physical movement, the child will not feel to drink water. What I do is I will stick a sticky note near her study place so that whenever she sees that, she will drink some water. Water will supply oxygen to the brain, which keeps them activated. Number 4. Eye exercise. Make sure your child is doing some simple eye exercise before attending the online session, like blinking their eyes, rotating their eyeballs. It's most important to blink their eyes often between their online session. They should not stare and see. If they do that, their eyes will get strained and it will be very difficult for them to sit throughout the session. So make sure they are blinking their eyes once in a while during the session. Insist them to do some eye exercise before and after their session to keep their eye healthy. Number 5. Light and fresh air. Make sure the room where your kids are attending the online class has proper flow of air and light in it. I will make sure that whenever she is getting a break between each session, I will tell her to go and stand in the balcony and take some fresh air. All these 5 steps may look simple, but I swear, please follow this. You can see lots of change in your child behavior, and 100% sure these steps are going to help your child to keep their brain activated. This is how I organized her study space. So nowadays I have to focus on both classwork and homework, so I kept each subject book, classwork, homework together, and I have secured with the rubber band. I kept all her book which is easily accessible to her and all the stationery supplies on the table itself. I have set her study table near a window for proper ventilation and the airflow. To make it more interesting, I have followed few more interesting creative steps. I have made this planner for her. It is a small do-it-by-yourself project. So this helps her to keep her activities organized and well planned for the day-to-day activities. I have created this reading corner at her room to keep her motivated to do every day's classwork and homework. I have stuck her timetable near the study table itself so that it's very easy for her to access her notebooks which she required for the next session. You can also keep some motivational quotes near the table to keep them motivated. I will make sure that she will get up an hour early and take bath, change her clothes and have her breakfast so that it keeps her fresh throughout the day. Initial days this was not easy, but later she started cooperating with me. She makes sure that she will read all the topic covered for the day. End of the day, all they need is lots and lots of motivation and appreciation to adopt this new normal. Everything will not move smooth in the first trial itself. So please give some settlement time. All they need is only our motivation to overcome this new normal. All the tips shared here was tried and tested by me. So try to implement this to have hassle-free online session. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you feel it is useful, then share with your family and friends. Let's get motivated and stay positive.